G'day, here's a parcel of seam / fossil material from Lightning Ridge. Some of this has good definition of the pieces of bone / timber. Some of it's quite bright in its opal that's in it. Some of it's crystal. But the material rules millimeters. Material's wet. They're the not so good pieces, and here is the better bits that's part of the same deal. Just zoom back out a little tiny bit to give you an idea. That rule's actually above the pieces a little bit. Extra bright pieces. Just move them around, make them sparkle for you. Anyway, there's a good deal for somebody.